So, hi, Atul Gopal from PluginIndia, and we are here today at the Tata Motors showroom, Sai Baba Auto Wheels in Pune, with Prashant Dediya ji. Prashant ji is an entrepreneur. He has two startups. One is called Doc Easy, and we'll ask him a little bit about his company also. And there's another in the mechanic space, sir. What is that called?
Garage Guru.
Garage Guru. Interesting part today is that he is here to replace his old car with the new one, and let's have a look at his old car. So here is the Nexon EV MAX that he is kind of looking at getting today, and this poor car is the one that is being replaced, which is, Prashant ji, which car is this?
Audi.
The Audi Q5, right? And we had Dr. Madan who we met near Coimbatore, who had done the same thing, and I hope, Prashant ji, you will end up selling the Audi after.
So finally we have a Nexon EV delivery today, and this is third EV bought by our group. So first one was the low end version, second mid version, and this time we have a EV Max top end. And hopefully if there is another version introduced by Tata, then soon we will buy. We are buying this from Sai Baba Auto Wheels, and they provide good service.
Yeah. Okay, so just wanted to check with you, there is an option, especially in the high-end market, of the MG which is available. What made you choose the Max over the MG?
See, there are multiple options, Hyundai, MG and other brands, but I feel one Tata made in India product, a larger service network and value for money.
So we start from the demo from the front only.
Okay.
So we start from this one. Okay. So this door opening like this. Okay. Please sit. From the starting, you have the height adjustables with the recline one. There is height adjustable also here.
Okay.
So you can height increase from decrease from here only. So this is your key fob. Okay. So to press the brake. Start. Okay. So the car is start. So how to recognize the car is start? This is a ready button. So car is ready for drive.
Okay.
So press the brake and you have to clockwise this parking, reverse, neutral, drive mode.
Okay.
So जब भी आप press करोगे, you have to press the brake and you can shift the gear towards neutral, drive mode, whatever you decide.
Okay.
Okay. See.
Okay.
There is a control mountings. We have volume buttons here. Okay. There's a track changing. You can track change from here only. The mode is there. You can shift to the FM2, Bluetooth connectivity, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. There is a voice command also. You can operate from the voice command. If you want to set a temperature like 23 degrees, so that side you have a cruise control button. So the cruise control button is starting from the 40-45 kilo की speed पे set होगा. So you have to press this clockwise 2 times. You can set the cruise control from here only. Okay. You can discontinue cruise control from here only, otherwise you press the brake and acceleration, this going automatically discontinue.
Either way it can.
Yeah, the bit can be. Okay. So basically from the start you have the electric auto window, front door power window, पीछे के दो. It has an electric joystick, adjustable ORVM. You can adjust from here only. In a music system, you get a Harman Kardon music system with a 6 speaker. It has a Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity. It's all the things is here. You can like scroll it. See, there's a radio button, is there USB. You can connect the USB, na? You get a Android Auto. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Both you can activate it. It does only by USB only, not a wireless. It has an audio system, favorite music system. You can my location. You have a park assist. While you're driving, now you can see the behind ones also. See.
Okay.
So it has a camera. Has a guidelines.
Maps I can see.
Yeah, if you connect to use the phone only. Phone. Yeah. So there is 2 buttons main thing. It has a regeneration level. You can see the regeneration level from the here. You just like press 1. You can see and MID is going to change. Like level 2 पे है हम अभी. Right now you can press to the level 3.
Level 3.
If you want to off that, you can off it from here only. It has a auto hold function also. When you just going to the Mahabaleshwar area, like hill area, so that time there is hill assist activated. So जब भी आप scroll नहीं होगा, ये पीछे yes. So you can use that button at the time of bumper to bumper drive.
Okay.
So वो feature गाड़ी पीछे नहीं आएगा. Which is 3.3 kilowatt. It has a 16 ampere socket. Like this. You can plug anywhere.
Okay.
Like this has 16 ampere socket. Okay, that's specifically legal charges from the Tata Motors. The Tata Power will call you for the installations. Okay, you can keep with this. Yeah, so this is your tire inflator at the time of emergency. So this is tire puncture kit. Okay, you have to plug this one, either your 12-volt charger for here only, this sides. Okay, ये आपको for you में लगाना है. In case there's a flat, okay, in case flat there's a कुछ गया है टायर में, so you can plug this liquid, okay, like this. Okay, you have to shift it. It takes like 3 mm liquid from this one, and it soak वो कर लेता है, जैसे कि उसमें कुछ गीला हुआ टेम्पररी उसमें हो जाता है, तो you can travel like 40 to 30 kilometers easily. Okay, so there is a shift like this. Okay, see, like this. So it has a 100% foldable from here only. See, so it is totally 60-40 splitting seats with 100% sling like this. You can fold and you completely bear it. In a bonnet, this is auxiliary battery. It output is like you can control your headlamps, horn, everything. You can start car from there only. So the enter charging. Yes, there's a two type of. There's a main battery also and auxiliary battery.
Okay.
So the main battery provides charging to here only. Okay. So this is a battery coolant, AC coolant, and the gear oil. These three things. Servicing. While every 7,000 kilometers you have to change that.
I see.
Yes, every 7,000 kilometers.
Every 7,000.
1 year. 1 year or every 7,000, which comes early. That a washer wiper, which that one.
Okay.
That's ECM. Nothing else.
Cool. Very cool.
And this car is IP67 certified. It is water resist. Totally water resistant. There's only precaution is that when you just go washing center, don't spray jet sprays over here. Yes, just do one thing. Otherwise, there's the electric points is there.
Okay.
That's why.
साईडला हे आहे का खालची सीटला कसं फोल्ड
इथे बटन आहे ते असं उचलायचं फक्त खिच ते
Please blast it.
Okay. So you are covering this?
Yeah, of course we are covering this. Blast it.
सर थांबा पहिले पूजा करू गणपतीची पूजा करू
Okay. आता
Yes. Awesome. So very nice.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
So while Prashant ji has been doing his documentation, we met another customer, Dr. Deepak Kamble, who has a delivery tomorrow. And the word delivery is interesting because Deepak is actually a gynecologist, right? So from hospital deliveries, he is here to automobile deliveries. So let's find out a little bit about this surgery which has been scheduled for tomorrow.
Yes.
So Deepak ji, tell us a little bit of the context you have. What was your earlier vehicle?
Sir, first of all, it was a pleasure surprise to meet you. I was watching your YouTube video and just came to notice that you are here. You are booking some having documentation and really surprised to see you. My first vehicle is EcoSport, that is automatic, titanium plus petrol model is there, and you know the prices of petrol, these are going above the mountains. so and my daily rating is around 50 to 100 kilometers.
Okay.
So it was costing me when I purchased my EcoSport, the petrol price was below 80 rupees. Now it has gone more than 110. So it was my wish to have a electric vehicle.
Right.
And that is more suitable for me also and my family.
So I'm told you booked a Tigor electric and your wife still thinks you have a Tigor.
Yes. Actually, I booked Tigor EV. That was a XZ Plus model. With subsidy, it was around 13 lakhs something. And when I had inquiry to the madam, that coordinator, So they told me that 14 lakhs and 10,000, 20,000 I can book Nexon XM also.
Right.
So Nexon EV XM I booked that.
Which is the lower end model.
Yes,
for
lower,
the Nexon.
lower. It is best model.
Right.
But after subsidy, from without subsidy it is going to around 16 lakhs.
Okay.
And with subsidy it is around 14 lakhs 20,000.
Right.
Just a 1 lakh difference.
Between the two.
Yes, yes. So I booked Nexon EV. But my family member, any of them don't know about it.
Okay.
They will see tomorrow only, at the time of delivery only.
Right. So tomorrow is going to be a special day.
Yes, yes.
So in normal hospital delivery, the suspense is whether it is a girl or a boy. And tomorrow his wife is going to find out whether it is a Tico or
Nexon.
Nexon.
Yes, yes, yes.
So anyway, we will not broadcast it
No,
till
no, no,
tomorrow.
no.
So
Broadcast is after the delivery.
so good. I hope to see you in Magmuli sometime.
Yes, yes. Come
Right?
anytime. Come
And we will
anytime.
kind of continue having
Yes,
update
yes.
from there.
And I appreciate your work. I have seen your so many videos before buying the Nexon EV.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yes, yes. Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Deepak.
Thanks, sir. Thanks,
Bye.
sir.
एक मला मिनरल वॉटरची बॉटल द्या ना. एक मिनरल वॉटरची बॉटल द्या. हां. परत देणार मी. हां. So this is one message I would like to give to Tata Motors dealership. Please stop using plastic. Every time I go to a dealership, I am gifted 5 plastic bottles which I have to refuse, and customers have to really struggle to ask for normal water. So Tata ji, if you're serious about the environment and making EVs, please ensure you stop giving plastic bottles at your dealerships. Thank you very much. Yeah, परत ठेवा. So here is another interesting practice which is slightly more healthier than the plastic bottle, and Prashant ji is now going to cut a small cake which is a tradition. Okay. एडवांस में आपका कल का केक का प्लानिंग. हाँ. Thank you. Book. It's a very good format. You have got visiting cards of the top sales team in Pune, so that if you want to reach out to them, you can reach out to them. And it contains the books.
There's a booking form.
Correct. This is booking form. This is your invoice. These are insurance. We were not given the original insurance paper. I've kind of told. Huh?
Will do.
Correct. We'll kind of get that done. And
Receipts, which are
receipt book,
It has a tax receipt, which are the
Tax.
registration tax receipt.
delivery acknowledgement, delivery checklist. We've got all of these. Toolkit is there, spare wheel is there.
Jack and everything is there.
This is the owner's manual, which most people don't end up reading.
Yeah, this.
Correct, but nevertheless.
Easily.
Huh?
You can digitize this.
Yeah, I think it's better to kind of put it digital. I don't know, this is probably a days of bygone era. It's like encyclopedias. How can Encyclopedia Britannica survive in front of Wikipedia? I don't understand. But Tata ji, stop giving this. Nobody reads it. Okay? Put it on a website, put it on a WhatsApp kind of a this thing, and that is kind of good enough types. Yeah, yeah. So the duplicate key is given only after the first service, not right now. So we only have one key now. We'll get the second key after the first service. Prashant ji, one last question before we kind of leave for the day. So what is that made you choose this particular model over the normal prime model which had a subsidy and this one doesn't? So
Okay.
What was the?
So one of the main reason was the range. So as company claims around 400 kilometer, but I think in reality you get around 280 to 300 kilometer mileage. So I don't need to charge frequently, and since I need to travel say 60, 80 or 120 kilometers in a day, so
it's a kind of buffer that.
it serves my purpose, and I do have frequent trips to Mumbai. So this also helps the range.
I believe Saturday you are going to Bombay.
Saturday we are going to Mumbai.
So best wishes for the trip. I hope going from Pune to Bombay is not a problem because you're going down the ghat. But coming back is what the challenge is. And if the Nexon Max can make it in a single shot, it's a thumbs up, right? And I hope
We'll test it out.
I'm sure that'll happen. Thank you very much. Enjoy your
Okay.
drive.